Hello, welcome to Master Fraction Lesson 26. My name is Walter. We are still working with combined operation on fraction using BODMAS. And direct, let's go to question number 1. We have 4 divided by, in the bracket, 2/3 of 6 in the bracket. We will follow BODMAS. Here, we are going to see if we have any bracket. We have bracket here, and inside the bracket, we have the word off. So we are going to work in the bracket, in the place where there is off. Off means multiplication. 4 divided by, in the bracket, we have 2/3. Off means multiplication, so we're going to multiply by 6 in the bracket. We can simplify in the bracket by 3, 1, by 3 is 2. This is equal to 4 divided by 2 times 2. We get 4/1, which this is equal to 4 divided by 4, which will give us answer equal to 1. Let's go to question number 2. We have 3/8 multiplied by 2/3, take away 1/2. We have multiplication and subtraction sign here. According to BODMAS, we don't have bracket, we don't have off, we don't have division. Direct will go to multiplication. But in multiplication here, we can simplify by 3, 1, by 3, 1, by 2, 4, by 2, 1. So 1 times 1, we get 1. 4 times 1, we get over 4. Then take away 1/2. Direct will go to subtraction. We're going to find the LCM of 4 and 2, which is 4. 4 divided by 4, it is 1. 1 times 1, we get 1. Take away 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 times 1, we get 2. 1 minus 2 will get equal to minus 1/4. Hope you understand how to work with combined operation on fraction using BODMAS. For more video on fraction, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.